Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. This is your Libra horoscope for May 2025, a month of financial transformation, relationship shifts, and expansive opportunities as the cosmos urges you to embrace new paths in love, business, and long-term goals. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. May is a powerful month of renewal and financial realignment. The new moon in Taurus, May 19th, activates your 8th house of shared resources, transformation, and deep emotional connections, making it a time to reset finances, investments, and partnerships. With Mars entering Leo on May 16th, your focus shifts toward networking, social expansion, and aligning with influential people. Jupiter moves into Gemini on May 25th, opening a 12-month cycle of learning, travel, and philosophical growth, pushing you to expand your horizons in new and exciting ways. New moon in Taurus, May 19. A financial and emotional reset. This is a great time to settle debts, reorganize finances, and deepen commitments in relationships. Mars in Cancer until May 16, Leo after May 16. Before May 16, Mars in Cancer energizes your career sector, urging you to focus on professional growth and ambition. After May 16, Mars in Leo shifts attention to networking, collaborations, and leadership roles, making it a great time for social and business connections. Jupiter enters Gemini May 25. Jupiter moves into your 9th house of travel, higher learning, and expansion, marking the start of a year-long period of growth, adventure, and intellectual breakthroughs. Career and finances. May brings financial shifts and career networking opportunities. The new moon in Taurus on May 19th encourages long-term financial planning and resource management. With Mars entering Leo after May 16th, you'll feel more confident in social and business interactions, making it a great time for professional networking and career collaborations. Jupiter in Gemini from May 25th expands opportunities for travel, publishing, teaching, or international business. Best dates for career and financial success. May 19th, new moon in Taurus. Reorganize financial resources and set business strategies. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, expanding knowledge, travel, and career horizons. Relationships. With Venus in Gemini until May 24th, relationships take on a playful, adventurous, and intellectually stimulating energy. If single, you may meet someone through travel, education, or cultural experiences. When Venus enters Cancer on May 24th, romance becomes more emotionally fulfilling and deeply connected. If partnered, this is a great time to discuss long-term financial and emotional commitments. Best days for love. May 11 to 13, Venus trine Pluto, intense emotional breakthroughs and deeper commitments. May 24th, Venus enters Cancer, love shifts toward emotional depth and security. Health and well-being. With Mars in Leo after May 16th, your social energy will be high, making it important to balance work, networking, and self-care. The new moon in Taurus, May 19th, encourages emotional renewal and financial security, so focus on reducing stress related to money and partnerships. Best days for success. May 16th, Mars enters Leo, networking and leadership energy increase. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, financial and emotional renewal. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, expansion in travel, learning, and life experiences. What to avoid. May 20, Mars square Jupiter. Watch out for overconfidence or taking on too many commitments at once. May 24 to 27, Saturn retrograde begins. Time to reflect on long-term investments and emotional stability. May 2025 is a transformative month for Libra, bringing financial clarity, career networking, and relationship growth. With Jupiter expanding your horizons, this is a time to embrace new opportunities in travel, learning, and social influence. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.